key concept and final status issues. This time, the stated purpose of the Trump peace plan is to outline the term of an agreement to be signed by both parties to end the conflict between the Israelis and Palestinians and clear all claims made by both parties to the conflict. The author of the proposal envisaged that the achievement of such a resolution would endow Palestinians with the right of self-governance while denying them any powers that might constitute a threat to Israel. The successful solution will direct flights between the state of Israel and its neighbors. The Trump administration stated that it would break with the paradigm of the past approaches to the Israel-Palestinian peace process, removing two core issues by implementing two measures in 2017-2019 that suggested the United States redefinition of the parameters for definitely resolving the conflicts in the large part episode in Israel position. These were the recognizing Jerusalem as an Israel capital on December 6, 2017 and November 18, 2019, stating that Jewish settlement in the West Bank were consistent with the international laws as a visible signal of this its break with the past. The United States opened its embassy in the building of the U.S. Consulate compound in the Jerusalem southern neighborhood of the Arona at the 17th anniversary of the establishment of the State of Israel. Kushner has linked the plan to the Marshall Plan to the rebuild Western European Union economics after the World War II. $50 billion are envisaged for the PA. The economic vision's empowerment by the doing tourism was perceived as a challenge by the Israel and Egypt. 12-year blockade of the Hamas-controlled territory and 52-year-long occupation of the West Bank. The Palestinian Liberation Organization accused the U.S. of trying to sell a mirage of the economic prosperity that would in reality only perpetuated the Palestinian captivity. Hamas leader Ismail Haniyeh criticized the Arab leaders attending the conference, saying the Palestinian people who have been fighting for 100 years did not commission anyone to concede or to bargain. Jerusalem is ours, the land is ours, and everything is ours. Regarding the controversy, our cultural heritage of Palestinian people, Kushner said that the critics of the Trump peace plan must divorce from all of the history. The Trump plan was presented as the best option regarding possible future development by the Kushner, who stated the Palestinian leadership have to ask themselves a question: do they want to have a state? Do they want to have a better life? If they do, we have created a framework for them to have it, and we are going to treat them in a very respectful manner. If they don't, then they are going to screw up another opportunity like they screwed up every other opportunity that they have ever had in their existence. Kushner said that the peace proposal will not include the praise two-state solutions, saying if you say two states, it means one thing to that Israelis, it means one thing to the Palestinian. We said, let's just not say it. Let's just say, let's work on the details of the work. What this means? A top-ranking Saudi diplomat stated that the plan includes a clear path leading to a complete Palestinian independence. Robert Merle, director of the International Crisis Group and the leading Middle East expert in the former U.S. administration, stated strip away the domestic and the Israelis political consideration that determine the timing of the plan's release, and the message to the Palestinian boiled down to its essence is, you have lost got our it.